All right, guys. Yeah. So new project, duplex we were talking about a few weeks ago. We already did the demo. They already started. I just forgot to get video, but we're here. We're doing a walkthrough kind of, just to see where things are at. So let's go ahead and go inside and see how it's looking. Right now we're gutting and getting the framing fixed, and then probably after, before we do anything inside, we're gonna jump outside and take care of the siding and the windows and all that. Um, while we get the electric done inside.
Acá arriba. ¿Ya veo cómo quedó? Lo avanzamos.
Bastante.
Que todo al 100. Ahora nos falta ahí.
Punto para
Paquete,
nuevo.
ajá, nuevo. Sí.
This is the kitchen here. We had to rip out the floor. They're still doing some joist repairs on here. All this plumbing. So basically, gutting out the entire kitchen. We're gonna have cabinets here, a little closet here, stove over here, cabinet, and then this wall is gonna get opened up probably a foot and a half. We already opened up this side over here. Oye, ni cuenta Medina. Que ya no sabes.
Lo quitamos ayer.
What you doing, Brusky? Se mira bien, ya se mira más grande.
Sí.
Okay. All right, and so this is the dining room right here. We had a lot of rotting 2x4s here in the framing that we had to fix and reframe here. And then we got our living room over here. Got it all basically down to the side. So we're working on the framing right now, and then we've got the electrician coming out sometime this week to take a look at it as well and see. We're gonna rewire the whole thing, just new wiring. It has some old knob and tube wiring, which is like 1920s, 1930s stuff that you don't use anymore. It's dangerous. This one's in pretty good shape. Usually, this stuff right here has like a cover on it, and by the time you open these walls up, it's usually like falling apart. But this one's in pretty good shape. But we're still gonna go ahead and change it out. I'm gonna change out all the windows. So yeah, let's go upstairs. So it's a little townhome, 1 bedroom. So it's gonna have a bedroom up here. Gonna have our closet. We're gonna have new windows up here as well, and then down here we've got a railing that's gonna go here. We saved the old railing. We're gonna make it a little bit taller. But yeah, I mean, this one's pretty much, we're gonna take down the rest of this today. And in the bathroom, we didn't rip out just because it has newer drywall. This one hadn't been redone, so we're gonna try to save some money there. And then right here on this end, right here, we're gonna add another closet, a long closet along this wall here, just to give it some more storage space up here, because here we're gonna put in this closet, we're gonna get rid of this closet, we're gonna put the AC unit and furnace. So gotta make another closet over there. But yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, these are family. They're my father-in-law's family duplexes that we're redoing. We finally have some funds and some time to do it, and it's a lot of work. These have been in the family for a long time, and they've been kind of just sitting here, and it's time to update them.
Mételo abajo. Ándale, ahí.
No, ahí da. Ahí está.
Ajá, acá está. ¿Vos sabes lo que debemos de hacer? Lo alzamos y le metemos casas.
Ahí,
Claro.
La escalera. A ver. Primero pone la madera, ¿no? Así. Ajá.
Ponemos aquí.
Ajá. Te voy a dar un pedacito. Un pedacito. Yo traigo acá. El ruedito.
they're gonna jack up the floor. Jack up the joist.
Ahí la tengo.
They're gonna jack up the joist.
Sí, sí, está bien. Tomártelo.
Grab that for me.
Yo creo que vamos a tener que bajarlo y darle.
Right here. No. This was low, so we lift it here. We're gonna put
Te voy a cortarlo,
wood here to lift it up, and get it even because it was kind of still dipping.
Esas ventanas, ¿no?
You could see it was like an inch. ¿Ves? Allá.
Cortarte de aquí una vez. Vamos a tener que usar.
Sí, va a tener que meter.
Ajá, porque si no la voy a bajar. 59 y 58. 59.
So hers is. This still had a little bit of a slope right here in this corner up here. Still has a little bit, but it went up. First walked it a minute ago. Much better. That whole corner went up. All right, guys, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the new big project that we started. We're gonna let the guys keep doing what they're doing here, and we're gonna head out and get back to work. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. See you guys next time. And hit that like and that subscribe if you want to see how this project comes along. I'll be keeping you guys updated and putting videos of the progress as we go.